If you're seeing the Epic Games request could not be completed error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it, step by step. This issue is usually caused by stale login tokens, broken cookies, or corrupted network data that stops the launcher from connecting properly to Epic's servers. The good news is, you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to close the Epic Games launcher completely. Look down at the bottom right corner of your screen in the Windows system tray, where the small background icons are located. If you see the Epic Games symbol there, right-click it and choose Exit. This is important because we want the launcher fully closed before clearing any cached files. If the app stays open in the background, Windows may keep the old data in use, and the fix may not work correctly. Now that Epic Games is closed, we're going to clear the launcher cache. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %local app data%, then click OK. This opens the local app data folder on your computer where many programs store temporary files. Inside this folder, find the folder named Epic Games Launcher and open it. Then go into the saved folder. In here, you should see a folder called Webcache. You may also see similar folders with names like Webcache_4147 or Webcache_4430. These folders store temporary browser data and login information for the launcher, and when they become corrupted, they can cause the request could not be completed error. Right-click the Webcache folder and delete it. If you see any matching Webcache variants, delete those too. Don't worry, this is safe because Epic Games will automatically rebuild these files the next time it starts. Clearing this cache often fixes login problems, broken page loading, and request errors all in one go. After deleting those folders, the next step is to restart your computer. A full restart helps clear anything still stuck in memory and gives Windows a fresh start before we move on to network repair. Now we're going to refresh the Windows network settings because corrupted network pathways can also block Epic Games from reaching its servers. After your computer restarts, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This opens Command Prompt with the permissions needed to repair your network settings. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache, which removes old or broken server address information that may be sending Epic Games in the wrong direction. Next, type net's Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Winsock catalog, which helps repair network connection problems caused by damaged system settings. After that, type net's int-ip reset and press Enter. This resets parts of the TCP/IP stack, which can help fix deeper network issues that are preventing the launcher from connecting properly. Once those commands are complete, close Command Prompt and restart your computer again so the changes can fully take effect. There is one more important step that can help if your router itself is holding on to bad connection data. Go to your home internet router and power cycle it by unplugging the power cord for about 30 seconds. Then plug it back in and wait for it to fully reboot. This gives your internet connection a clean refresh and can resolve stubborn routing or connection issues. After everything restarts, open the Epic Games launcher again and try signing in. In many cases, the request could not be completed. Error will be gone after clearing the web cache, resetting the network, and refreshing your router. If it still appears, repeat the steps carefully and make sure Epic Games was fully closed before deleting the cache. If this video helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. That way you'll never miss an easy fix for Epic Games, Windows, or other common PC problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.